Okay, hello again. Guys, we're going to take a look at test number 2 this time. All right. Again, this is the landing page for our course. Mine probably looks a little different than yours, but yours looks something like this. And just again, click on this top link where it says start here. And we're going to find test number 2 this time. It's right down here where it says test number 2. All right. I did open up this review, the slideshow. The review from the day before we took the test, okay? I opened it up in a different window already. So let's open up test 2. Again, mine might look a little different than yours, but you should get to test 2 by clicking on that link. I've also already opened up Desmos. I've already opened it up, okay? So we have to use it. We have it to use. And again, I just do a preview. You just go ahead and take it. Take it right now and submit it, okay? Again, if I'm going too fast, you guys can always stop it. But this particular test is worth a lot of points, so make sure that you take it. All right, this is problem number 1. It just says, how many solutions does this have? It's 2 parallel lines. All right, let's go back to the slideshow. What does it say right here about parallel lines? If 2 lines are parallel, then there are no solutions. See, it says it right there. 2 parallel lines. Okay. So back to the test. Find your answer. These are 2 parallel lines. And you see what it says right there? All right. Should be able to find it. Next. And I'm not doing it for you guys. I'm just showing you where the answers are. Okay. All right. How many solutions does this one have? You see, they give you this. These are the same line. It's the same line. All right, because you get to the bottom here, it says 15 equals 15. All right. Let's go back to the slideshow. What does it say about the same line right here? This case 2. If 2 lines are the same line, then there are infinite solutions. Now let's go down here and look at this example right here. Right here. This is an example of the systems of equations. You get to the bottom here, it says 24 equals 24. That means there's infinite many solutions. All right, let's go back because they're the same line. These are the same line. All right, that's what we have here. We get to the bottom, it says 15 equals 15. That means they have the same line. So mark your answer. All right, next. Which of these statements are true? All right, let's go back to the slideshow. Guys, right there. All right, it's the solution to the system of equations. It's the intersection of the 2 lines. Could be 1 point, it could be a bunch of points, or it could be no points. Again, it's the points the 2 lines have in common. Or it's the ordered pair, the xy, that makes both equations true. All right, there's 2 answers there. Mark those 2. I just gave you 3. It's 2 of those, okay? You should be able to find it there. All right, next, number 4. What's the solution? Well, it's at the intersection. It's right there. All right, mark the x first. It's like a negative x. They're both negative. And then the y second. Make sure you mark the x first, then the y. All right? Find that point. All right, next. Find the solution to the systems of linear equations. All right, we're going to use Desmos. All right, so I'm going to cut this in half. I think I can do this. Yep, there we go. Opened up Desmos. We'll try to make it a little bit smaller so it fits in our window here. Okay, pretty close. All right. Guys, I'm just going to copy and paste it in there. That's our first line. There it is. It's green. See it? Copy the second one and paste it in Desmos. All right, there's our 2 lines. Okay, I can close this with these arrows and find where they cross. You can zoom in here. See where they cross? Look up here for the X first. And then look over here for the Y second. Or look up here to the X first. Now, if you do Desmos, watch close. You can click right on there. Oop, there's the point. That's the answer. Okay. Next, find the solution. Okay, again, I'm going to open this up and get rid of our last problem. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. All right, there's our 2 lines. See where they cross? All right, you guys can look up here. There's the X right there. Look over here. There's the Y. Looks like it's negative. All right. I can click on here. I don't want to give you guys the answer, though. You can probably see what it is there. I can scroll out a little bit. Of course, we kind of lose it there a little bit. There. Can I do this? And we should be able to see it. I'm not going to click on there. All right. Look up here. It's in the middle. It's not marked. Right. There it is. There. All right. Next. Same thing. Let's open this up. Get rid of those 2 lines. Come over here, copy this line, and paste it in Desmos. All right, copy this line and paste it in Desmos. We'll find out where they intersect. Close this. Ooh, they look, do they? Yeah, they do intersect. It's down here. It's right there. Looks like they're both negative. Yep, I can scroll. You guys see it right there? Scroll on a little bit. It's right there. All right. Here's the 0, 0. It's right there. All right. Mark the X first. X comes first. Y comes second. All right, next. Okay, guys, these are the word problems. All right, I'm going to get rid of our last problem, and we're going to use Desmos. This first one is about selling flower bulbs. There's 2 kinds of bulbs. This first one is Jimmy. I'm going to highlight that, what it says there. It says that Jimmy sold 12 bags of wildflower bulbs. So we're going to say 12X. We'll call wildflower X. And he sold 12 packages of crocus bulbs. So we'll call that plus 12Y. And that equals, how much did he get? $204. It says there. There's our first line, okay? Next. This is Imani. Right there. I'll highlight that. Sold 6 bags of wildflower, so that's 6X plus 4 crocus bulbs. Sorry, someone's calling me. X, that's sorry, 4Y. And he got 78. All right. Close this. Let's find out where they intersect. Where is it? I got to scroll out and try to find it. There it is up there. All right, see where they intersect? If I click on there. All right, that means the wildflower bulbs were $5. And the crocus bulbs were $12. The wildflower bulbs were $5. And the crocus bulbs were $12. That's what that means, okay? All right, one more. We're almost done. Hang in there with me. I'll get rid of these 2. I'm going to move on to the last one. This is about the field trip, and we're using vans and buses. Here's the first one right there. That's high school A. They filled 5 vans. We'll call it 5X. And they had 13 buses, 13Y. 427 students. All right? The next one, I'm going to highlight it here. They rented and filled 10 vans. I'm sorry. Yeah, 10 vans. And 11 buses. Wow. And they had 419 students. Okay. Well, let's get rid of this. Where'd they cross? Right there. Right there. All right, so 10 fit in a van, 29 fit in a bus. 10 fit in a van, 29 fit in a bus. All right, guys, that's it. Hopefully that helped you. Again, if you need some more help, let me know. Thanks.